Today I have so many surprises for you guys! Hey guys, I'm Princess Chloe and welcome to my channel! Yay! So first, we got LOL surprise from Series 1. Next one is another LOL surprise from Series 2. We have two gifts from Mama Nene. Here it is. Here's another one. Wow, so many gifts. First, we're gonna open the LOL Series 1. It's a pen and a dress. Is she going to color change, speak, cry, or tinkles? Wow, we have the first layer. Another. Let's crack it. Wow, another surprise down here. What do we get? Here's the flyer and here's the golden ball. Let's open the tiniest ones.
See?
We got a sparkly dress. We got a big bowl. A little high heels. Look! Little high heels. A bottle. I think this is neon cutie. Here's the bottle. The glitter! Wow, it's her glittery hair! Glitter queen! It's a glittery hair, a glittery bottle, a glittery dress, and a big bow and a little high heels. Let's dress her up! Wow! It's so beautiful and cute. Oops, her shoes. There we go. Let's open the series 2. Fangirl. Another. Another one. Pop it out. Ooh, I see a little blind bag. Ooh. Ooh, it's a big one. A jumbo one. Here's the flyer. Here's the gun. Here's the green egg. Let's open the little ones. Glasses! Does that mean we're going to get... This is teacher's pet. Wow! Cute little yellow sandals. Are these sandals? They're so cute. That means we got teacher's pet. Look! The top and a skirt. Who do we get? Who do we get? Wow! She's so cute. Who is her? Her name is Bon Bon. Let's dress her up. Ta-da! Here's Bon Bon! Yay! Hi, Glitter Queen. I'm Bon Bon. Oh, we forgot another blind bag. Let's open it. Whoa! It's a little bottle. Glitter Queen, can I enjoy you now? Sure. Ta-da! Here's my two LOLs. Yay! The next one we're going to open the gifts. Yay! So the first one I got is this one. Let's open it. This out first. Whoa. Shopee doll! Great! I got a Shopee doll! Look! A Shopee doll! Wow, a Shopee doll! A Shopee doll! Look! Thank you! Let's open the other one. I'm so excited. Thank you, Mama Neneng. I love you. Another one! Another Shopee doll! Ooh, and this one has a luggage. Look! 2 Sharpie dolls. 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 Look! I got 2 shopping dolls. Yay! I got 2 Sharpie dolls. Thank you, Mama Nene. Thank you for watching my videos. And click like a bee.